Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a new playlist on Soundcloud. The first thing you're going to do is open the app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on Playlists. And from here, you can see that I currently have two playlists. Now to create a third one, you'll simply tap on Create Playlist at the top. Then you can add the name of the playlist. Then select Save. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can tap on Go to Search. And from here you could search for the songs that you would like to add to your playlist. And once you have found a song that you want, for example, this song right here, you can simply tap on the three dots in line with the song name, tap on Add to Playlist, then tap on the playlist that you would like to add it to, and that's it. Now if I should tap on the three dashes again in the bottom right hand corner, you can see now that I currently have three playlists right here. 1, 2, 3. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.